Hopefully we've got volume. What's this thing here do, mate?
That's just a steamer, that is.
Ah.
Yeah. What's the camera for?
Oh, YouTube, man. I've got a little YouTube channel. I've been filming the progress of the car for the last 3 years.
Alright.
Right, I'll get on with getting some washers for you.
Yeah, I'll stick this on and then we'll offer the bars up and then we'll see which ones and which and where to put the washers.
I'll get the right size washers and then you can tell me where you want me to weld them.
Yeah, alright.
What sort of glue's that?
Strong stuff, mate.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah, man, that's good stuff.
Proper
that is,
strong
man.
stuff, upholstery glue.
Oh man, that's so cool.
Right, that's the back.
Oh sweet.
Yeah, see that one's gone, that one.
That was gone, yeah?
Yeah.
So that'll need a washer welding at the end of it to stop it sinking through. And you also make, you can make,
The roof linings.
Can you make roof linings as well?
Yeah, I've got somewhere where I can get the cover from.
And you can also make seats, seat panels
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah, I can do the seats as
You
well.
got a sewing machine?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Proper industrial one. Durkop Adler.
That's a steamer. Steaming away. And that steamer's to use to soften the material.
Yeah, to get a bit more tension on it. Like nice and taut.
Yeah.
Make it all nice and supple.
So you got a bit of time to work with this glue, yeah?
Well, it's best to let it dry anyway and go tacky. Get a better.
How long does it take to go tacky?
Couple of minutes. Yeah, we'll get in there.
I've done 0 roof linings. How many have you done?
Ooh. Got to be about 30, 40.
That's a lot more than I've done, man.
I've done a Nova the other day as well.
Has that got the same sort of rod style thing?
Yeah, more or less.
Is it stretching all right in the middle?
Yeah, it's just getting these little bits out.
Oh, the little holes for the mirrors and whatnot.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Done?
Done?
Awesome. Absolutely awesome.
A bit of glue here. You got a bit of white spirits?
I'll have a look. Wow, man, that looks lovely. We got the lights, the wiring, and the holes for the lights. Also the holes for the visors and the mirror bracket installed. Sweet. Lee, thanks a lot, buddy.
No worries, mate. It's a pleasure.
There we have it. I'm really pleased with that. It's really nice. It's really good. Kate's roof hasn't looked this good. Mate, I don't know what's inside, but it's really good. That is spot on. Yeah, guys, if anyone's in the locality needs upholstery in their car, Lee's the man. You have to send me a message on this comment section and I'll direct you to him. Come on, man, let's do it.
Okay. See you in a bit, mate.
I've just been prepping Kate. No, not prepping her, as in just ready so she can go out. It's the first time I've seen her in this way. We're going to Himley tomorrow, so I've just made sure that she's in position, ready to be loaded up to the transport. And thankfully the weather forecast tomorrow is looking good, so 'cause she's got no windows. Anyway, we'll see. Little Flash is getting his morning breakfast and Kate's getting loaded up on Tyler's Transit.
Got a little screwdriver?
Yeah.
Just to see.
Right.
That's a bit rubbish.
Mr. Gavin Clive Davis is sitting, relaxing. Is Susie Van Halen here sorting out through Rusty Love merch.
Hello.
Roberto is
Trying to help.
joining.
I'm getting involved.
I think we run out of brown caps.
Right. Kate has had people all over her, which is very nice. People interested in what we've got and what we've done. And got our carburettor spilt. Does this lady want a Weber? You want a Weber conversion for that, madam? Do you want a Weber carburettor? So yeah, Kate's looking good. And she's enjoying all the fuss. Lots of grass on the wheels. Anyway, guys, it's a lovely day, very warm, lots and lots of cars, met some really nice people, so yeah, all good, all good. Guys, look at everyone swarming over Kate. That's brilliant. Those are our Rusty Love fans. That looked brilliant. Brings blokes together. That's so cool. I'm chuffed about that. I really am. where the indicators are going. Mr. Tony.
Are you still on the phone?
It's going to make snow. No, carry on, dude. This is Mr. Cosily Kev. Oh shit, man, he just dropped his guts, man. Did you hear that? Oh, that's a nice fit. Bit tight still, isn't it?
Yeah, it's tight as it gets there.
A little bit more, Tom.
Well, it's tight. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Might be that the light is not used to, because it's got a bit of a curve on it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
That goes in, yeah.
I think that's pretty freaking dandy. That's quite an unusual setup, but I like it. Do you like it?
I like it.
With an orange light in it?
Yeah.
Right, shall I feed this from the back, Tone? Which is up and which is down?
Well, it goes. Look, see them things, pull it in. So you put it in with them screws.
Okay, so I'm going to put it in. Pull that thing out.
You want them screws, do we?
What's that? Is that? Oh, that's swarf, Tone. We need to clear that swarf off.
That's alright, it's just a bit of...
Right, so that's not supposed.
And it's
That's not supposed to go through, is it?
No, you just put it in and put the screw started towards the middle of the car. That's it. That's it.
Well, that ain't sitting straight, Tone. I think we got it the wrong way around, mate. I think I need to put it upside down. Innit? Take that thing off for a tick. What are we doing wrong here, man?
Come here, look.
Hey? Has someone put maybe the glasses upside down, man?
No. They might have put the glass upside down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It might be that the glasses.
Now at the minute, look. No, that's right. Now, Tay. The glass is in upside down.
Yeah, okay. So you need a Phillips screwdriver. We don't really need the super glue, do we?
No, it's broke off. They've wrecked it now.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Gavin's gasket. What do you think of Gavin's gasket? Mr. Gasket.
Gasket, Gavin.
It's pretty rubbery.
It's pretty rubbery, isn't it? I think it's an upgrade. Maybe not.
Okay then, round two.
Right. Gavin, can you recycle that, please?
You've got two screws.
Oh, we could sell it for a tenner because it's a bit of kit. There we go. The screws. You want the screws?
Yeah.
That looks a lot better.
Should we put it on way around, Gav?
Did we? Okay.
My fault. Sorry.
Did you tell them that we're going to put a tow bar on, Kate? So everyone can knock their shins on it.
We're going to put it at the front so everyone can tow her around.
This has to sit like that. Yep. I'm going to start them in the holes.
Let go, man. Let go.
I'm trying to line her up.
Oh,
That's never gone in.
well, I think it friggin' has, mate. I know, that's what I'm saying. You did it the other day, man. I thought, bloody hell, he's going well.
Nice and even. That way over that side.
Finish it off. Don't look too bad, does it?
I think it looks great.
Eh?
Check
Original Ford reversing lights. That's unique to us, man. That was Tony's idea. That was a unique feature.
Them look quite tricky,
I
don't
think
they?
they definitely look alright. Are you sure they're going to work? My indicators. Mr. Tony is taking cue to his abode. With Mr. Tyler. Alright, Mr. Tony. Next time we see Q, we might be in a different state. Cheers, dude!